Okay, I have some VHS. Jeez, tripping over my keyboard cable again. Anyway, I have some VHS tapes. No, I didn't find any new ones. The ones I have, quite a few of the ones I have, they're unlabeled. And the phone's plugged in while I'm recording, because it's at 30% and I want to do this video now. Turn the fan off so you can hear the degauss sound, which is great. I'll turn it up in the video like I always do. The light's dim, which is great. Gets a lot of current, I assume. Okay, what is this?
You can see. That's a mistake.
Oh, June 15th, 2003. Go and full screen to see this video at its best. No, it's a movie. Dang it, I wanted the C-SPAN, even though I don't care about politics. Look at that. That looks really nice in person.
Of a frank and explicit nature.
Frank and explicit nature. Oh, the picture got better.
Dinner for that evil woman.
Anyway, whatever. That was full speed there. Okay, this is blank, I guess. Let's use one of these Digitech tapes. See what's on here. If I can push it in there. Yeah, I think we need to go. Well, yeah, there's going to be a lot of space up there, but at least we're closer to the TV for a better picture. Oh, this one. This one's at 60 FPS. It's tracking, right? You're tracking something.
Well, Erica, the work I do.
Does this one have a... No, this one doesn't have a case, so I'll just write soap opera. It's cut off down there, Steve Carell.
Even higher.
Picture perfect. What the hell's wrong with the Panasonic?
Singular is now the new AT&T. Your world delivered. Price tag. There are some things money can't buy. For everything you must have right now, there's debit MasterCard.
Anyway, I'm just wasting time at this point. Rainbow
Our
thing.
thoughts and prayers today are with so many people.
No crap, the phone's pitching up there.
So many people that are missing, so many families that have been affected by the attack on America, attack on New York. In particular, we
Remember looking at the CRT on the wall in the library in the tower, and that's my only memory of the whole day.
Who sacrificed their lives.
It's weird blips in time that are short, random days, and you don't know anything else to happen except one moment, one frame.
And pray for them and dedicate ourselves to them to make certain that we prevail, and we will.
Public television.
Here we go.
It all started out with doo-wops.
KQED. Almost said co-ed.
Huge extravaganza.
Oh, that's
a
nice.
brand new show with new artists. As a matter of fact, we've got over 200 performers that will be coming your way.
Oh, wow. And that's on Catchy Comedy, I think. Decent.
Make you kind of wonder though if
here we
sometimes
go.
a pay channel
Fox
is not
News
good
from
enough for
2000
CBS.
something.
They're going to put it
Oh.
on Showtime. Which
Could the next
the
Reagans help Viacom via stock?
They reformed when Sumner Redstone, the head of Viacom.
Besides all the noise, it looks freaking great.
Hill and Bill. Because that scene where the president
Gee, you
hits on
think so?
20-year-old intro.
It says this is when we tried that with black and white TV like kitchen.
Before you go shopping this Saturday morning, put together a stock shopping
It's Black
list
Friday.
and make your money come Monday morning.
Okay, boys, take your positions. Roger that. Looks like we're taking the scenic route. Okay, back right, you've got some water. We're on it. Front right, you've got ice. 2 o'clock. Got it. Okay, giant mud patch in 3, 2. Man, I love this job.
The 94 Hitachi VCR will play this like a champ, so I'll digitize it on there like I've been doing.
Shifting power where you need it, when you need it.
Excuse me. Yeah, it's a widescreen. Pretty cool. Hey, there's a Trinitron right there.
Help guard your inbox with automatic virus protection from MSN.
Oh, okay.
Go to MSN.com. It's better with the butterfly.
This is from like 2002 or 3. Yeah, because of the Iraq thing.
On the biggest stages, with the highest stakes, they're able to summon something extra, and by sheer will, produce wonders. As a global energy leader, expect big things from Conoco Phillips, and watch our performance.
Never heard of it. Well, yeah, I know. Viera. Yep, Panasonic. Oh, hell yeah.
Panasonic Plasma HD TV.
Oh, it's HD.
Design and a picture that's in a class by itself, with a contrast ratio up to 3,000 to 1. It's simply beautiful, on or off.
Oh, yeah.
On a Panasonic VCR.
Panasonic. Ideas for life.
Chills. That was awesome. And chills. That's
He traveled with our troops to the front lines to witness the story of Iraq's liberation.
oh, that dollar bill has scan lines on it. For real. It's got lines on it. It's like, damn, that looks sharp as hell. It looks too sharp on camera. Let's get closer.
That's better. Yeah, that's more accurate.
It's a much
Oh yeah, that's completely accurate.
You might get a dead cat bounce here, but this cat is pretty dead.
Remember that QAnon bullshit they were talking about, that dead cat bounce thing?
For a lousy business that has only 2 major customers and is bleeding money.
What a waste of time. But hey, I wanted to get into politics and see what's really going on, but fell out of favor. And I wasn't interested anymore.
Fiscal years. It's a stinker. You might as well go to Atlantic City or Las Vegas.
Very quickly, 2 against 1. I don't think it matters whether you're a Republican or Democrat. It's obviously going to help the guy who's the incumbent. Clinton had a terrific. He was a Democrat. It doesn't matter.
Typically,
Doesn't matter.
It does better during
Yo, don't matter.
administrations. That is true, but
The guy looks familiar. I don't know his name, though. 10:38 Central Time, it said on the 9:39 a.m. Mountain Time. Beamer again. TGIS today.
The new BMW 5 Series.
Sunday.
The ultimate driving machine.
Today, the Level 3 network will help
You again. And BMW again. Do we get Panasonic again? How about MSN again? One day I'll digitize this. Ooh, big Ultimate Energy.